Welcome to the world of the golden thread, a material softer than water, stronger than steel, and more precious than pure gold in the fashion industry. Behold the mesmerizing shimmer of authentic mulberry silk, where every single fiber reflects centuries of tradition and unparalleled luxury for the most discerning world clients. On the high fashion runways of Paris, this natural wonder takes flight, draped over silhouettes that define the peak of human aesthetic achievement and modern elegance. Our journey begins in the misty highlands, where the perfect climate nurtures the very source of this magnificent and highly sought-after natural textile in the world. Artisans gently handle these snowy white cocoons, the humble beginnings of a journey that transforms raw nature into a multi-million-dollar masterpiece for global luxury markets. Step inside the hidden sanctuary, where biology meets cutting-edge technology to produce the finest silk fibers known to modern mankind in this advanced industrial age. In these advanced farms, millions of silkworms feast on fresh mulberry leaves, creating a rhythmic sound like soft rain falling on a quiet forest in autumn. Every movement is monitored, ensuring these delicate creatures grow in a pristine environment designed for maximum health and superior silk production quality for the luxury market. Digital sensors track temperature and humidity with surgical precision, maintaining the exact conditions required for the silkworms to thrive and spin their perfectly uniform silk threads. Under the microscope, experts inspect the vitality of each batch, as ensuring only the strongest and healthiest silkworms proceed to the next critical stage of their development. Automated systems distribute finely chopped mulberry leaves across massive trays, ensuring a consistent and nutritious diet for every single resident of this high-tech silk production farm. This fusion of agriculture and biotechnology ensures that every strand of silk achieves an absolute uniformity that is required by the most prestigious luxury fashion houses. As the silkworms reach full maturity, they prepare for their final transformation, ready to weave the silk that has captivated the entire world for many millennia. In a breathtaking display of nature's engineering, the silkworm moves its head in a figure-8 pattern, spinning a protective sanctuary of pure and precious silk. This intricate dance produces a continuous filament, yet a marvel of biological production that humans have sought to master for over 5,000 years of ancient history. The facility transforms into a sea of white as thousands of cocoons are harvested, each one a precious vessel containing a single unbroken thread of silk. Experienced hands meticulously sort through the harvest, selecting only the most perfect specimens while removing any flawed or double cocoons from the final production line. Only the A1 grade cocoons, possessing the highest level of luster and strength, are chosen to become the legendary fabric worn by the global elite today. It takes 5,000 cocoons to produce just 1 kilogram of raw silk, highlighting the immense effort and resources behind every single yard produced in this factory. The cocoons are immersed in warm water, a delicate process that softens the natural Saracen glue without damaging the fragile silk fibers hidden within the structure. Precision mechanical brushes gently sweep the surface of the spinning cocoons, searching for the microscopic end of the continuous silk filament hidden inside each protective shell. Finer than a human hair, these translucent strands are carefully lifted, beginning their transition from a natural protective shell into a usable textile for high fashion. A single cocoon can yield a thread up to 1,500 meters long, a testament to the incredible efficiency of this tiny natural architect of the insect world. Multiple single filaments are combined through high-speed rollers, creating a stronger, more durable silk thread that retains its signature soft and smooth texture for the wearer. The air is thick with steam and the hum of industrial precision, and its ancient techniques are amplified by the power of modern engineering and innovative technology. Maintaining a thickness of only a few microns, the machinery ensures that the silk remains exceptionally soft, meeting the rigorous standards of international haute couture brands. Vast rows of bobbins fill with shimmering thread, each spool representing countless hours of biological growth and technological refinement in our sophisticated modern world today. With the raw silk prepared, the journey moves to the weaving floor, where artistry and mechanics unite to create the world's most expensive and luxurious fabric. State-of-the-art rapier looms operate at incredible speeds, their shuttles flying back and forth to weave complex and mesmerizing patterns into the high-grade silk fabric. Intricate jacquard motifs emerge, at a dance of geometry and light that gives the silk its unique depth and its highly coveted, three-dimensional visual quality for collectors. Master colorists blend pigments derived from rare herbs and minerals, creating a palette of vibrant hues that can only be achieved through these secret natural ingredients. White silk is submerged into deep vats of color, absorbing the pigments to achieve a richness and a glow that synthetic dyes can never replicate in beauty. The dyed fabric is carefully dried, allowing the colors to set and the natural luster of the mulberry silk to shine through brilliantly for the world. For the most exclusive bespoke orders, skilled artisans spend weeks hand-stitching intricate details, adding a layer of soul and human touch to every piece of fabric. Every stitch is a testament to patience, transforming a beautiful piece of fabric into a unique work of art that tells its own luxurious and historic story. At the rhythmic clack-clack of the looms creates a symphony of production, a sound that has echoed through history but now resonates with modern industrial power. In some rare cases, real gold threads are woven into the silk, elevating the material to a level of luxury reserved only for royalty and billionaires. Precision instruments check the thread count and weave density, ensuring that every square inch of the silk is flawless and perfectly constructed for the global market. The combination of mechanical speed and human passion is the secret behind silk that costs tens of thousands of dollars per meter in elite stores. In the final inspection room, experts use high-intensity white lights to scan every millimeter of the fabric for even the slightest and most invisible imperfections. Only the most perfect rolls receive the golden seal of quality, a mark of excellence that guarantees the silk's origin and its superior master craftsmanship. Once the finished silk is delicately folded and placed into handcrafted lacquer boxes, wrapped in fine tissue paper to protect its exquisite and fragile natural beauty. This is the final step of a long journey where a simple cocoon becomes a global symbol of power, wealth, and timeless personal elegance for everyone. From a tiny creature to a breathtaking gown, this golden thread connects the raw beauty of nature with the pinnacle of human luxury and social status. It is more than just fabric. It is a masterpiece of time and persistence. The golden thread connecting nature's wonders to the world's highest standard.